Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use a gas sensor in the Wokwi online simulator. Wokwi is a powerful platform for simulating Arduino projects, allowing you to test circuits and code without needing physical hardware. I will guide you through the connection setup, coding process, and how the gas sensor works in real time. Stay tuned to learn how you can simulate and test gas sensor functionality easily. In this project, we are using an Arduino Uno as the main controller. First, we will connect the components. We begin with the DHT sensor to measure temperature and humidity. In this simulation, we are using the DHT22 sensor, which provides more accurate readings. But if you are building a hardware setup, you can also use the DHT11 sensor. The DHT sensor will send temperature and humidity data to the Arduino, which will then be displayed on the LCD screen. Next, we will add the gas sensor, which is responsible for detecting gas levels in the environment. The analog output of the gas sensor is connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino Uno. This allows the Arduino to read the sensor data and process it accordingly. Now we will add the 16:2 LCD display to show all the data. To simplify the connections, I am using an I2C-based LCD display, which reduces the number of required connections compared to a standard LCD. The I2C module allows us to control the display using only two pins, SDA and SCL, making the circuit more efficient and easier to manage. Let's move to the coding section. I have already prepared the code, so now we will go through it step by step to understand how it works. We will see how the Arduino reads data from the gas sensor and DHT sensor and displays it on the LCD screen. In this project, we are using three important libraries: wire.h, liquid crystal I2C.h, and DHT.h. The wire.h library enables I2C communication, which helps in connecting the LCD display with Arduino using fewer wires. The liquid crystal I2C.h library is used to control the 16:2 LCD display, making it easier to display sensor readings. The DHT.h library is essential for interfacing the DHT22 or DHT11 sensor, which measures temperature and humidity. I have commented on each line of the code for better understanding. Now, let's move on to the working of this project. Once the simulation starts, the DHT22 sensor will measure the temperature and humidity and send the data to the Arduino. The MQ2 Gas Sensor will detect the surrounding gas concentration levels and provide an analog reading. The Arduino processes this data and displays it on the 16:2 LCD screen using the I2C interface, which helps reduce wiring complexity. In the Wokwi simulator, we can adjust the gas ppm levels using the slider to see how the sensor responds in real time. The temperature and humidity values will also update accordingly. This project demonstrates how we can interface multiple sensors with Arduino and display real-time data efficiently. We can see the temperature and humidity data changing on the display as the temperature varies. When the temperature increases or decreases, the DHT22 sensor detects the change and updates the values accordingly. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such content.